Hi, good day. My videos for today is about the renovation little house of my parents in Pampanga, Philippines. By the way, my name is Richie, caregiver in Israel for more than 3 years. I renovate my parents in year 2023 month of June. After all my credit to pay since I was here, my priority is my parents' old house to renovate. From the start till finished renovation, almost 26 days, not include to the cabinet and other furniture. My happiness can't buy money. You know how much to build a house. You know how much money to spend the materials before the house to be built. Also the labor cost, but for me is priceless when your parent sees the smile on their face to while renovate the house until it finished and completing all the furniture and appliances. And thank you to the Almighty God for this all blessing. Before end of this video, please don't forget to follow and like share my video. Once again, my name is Richie, caregiver in Israel. See you tomorrow for another day and another blog. Thank you, bye.
Lele may electric tape po tong ating magkay bang kaya ako nalako to. Kaya gamit tala pa rin. Binyamitan kayo ng ares po? Oo.
Wala nang kasangkapang kanita yan. Yan ang dead size.
Dahil ako tayo ng ngayon, nag-aalala. Ayun pala.
Kung ay daw, ang bayaran mo yan, Charlie Buingaldo.
Doon man ang kakain.
Hindi po, kompresor talaga yung pagkain.
Ha?
Kompresor.
Ang kompreso.
Tapag ka, itang king passing house kanina. Kung talagang king pintura, itang pusit may mga itang balang pamamba. Tapi kanyan-kanyan niya. Ano king kakuskus, milang umuri.
Dalaan mo ang kanyang mga kakain yan.
Aku ay mo din eh. Ako.
Bago, lalayo rin pa ako ngayon po nating potang paobra akong kaya at atin akong pa ako. Bangil ako sasali.
Sir Jun, bago po namin tapusin yung interview, maligas ko lang yung sinasabi mo na ang nasa-supervise mo nga po kasi ay yung may mga license o yung may mga, yung mga legal nga yung operation.
Alam na po natin may mga suspect na po tayo yung mga illegal activities at yung mga nare-rescue, may mga nahuhuli involved sa illegal activities na